launched our progressive system, we actually have a way to guarantee regardless of aggregate skill. And we ship our games with multiple models, so the operator can choose whatever they want, 89 to 98 to even 102. We have math models that have a higher than 100% theoretical payback. But I think the important question, which we're all touching on, is would you rather have another machine that does win per unit and moves money around the floor, or would you rather have new games and new players and new dollars? And I think that the tide is turning on that very, very rapidly. So I would say a year ago when we launched, there was a very high expectation, floor average. We don't want a game if it doesn't do floor average. Well, there are plenty of games here at G2E that do floor average. You don't necessarily need our games to achieve that, but if you want new games, new dollars, and incremental revenue, there are these class of games available now that we've seen are proving through unrated play, net new players, exit surveys, analytics, that there are new dollars to be had. And so I think that the tide's changing very quickly, where operators in our class of games are much less focused on win per unit and house average. And I think also importantly are giving them much more time on the floor. We just launched a program with Konami and Interblock. We called it the Innovation Adoption Advisory Panel, and we brought in experts from across the industry. And one of the outlooks there was, collectively as an industry, we have to treat these games differently, measure these games differently, market these games differently to adopt these new players. So I think the conversation is changing.